How to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Exness. First things first is make sure you have both accounts from Exness and Trust Wallet for this process to work. Now navigate into your Exness account, and from here at the top left portion you see three lines, and then head over down to Payments and Wallet. Now under Payments and Wallet, head down to Deposit. Now before doing so, make sure that you already verified your account so that you can deposit any funds from your Exness. Now, once you have fully deposited USDT from here, make sure to copy the wallet address. Then let's proceed on our Trust Wallet account. Now, from your Trust Wallet account, this is going to be here. So in here, once you open it up, just tap on the send button, which is going to be here, right? And then paste the deposit address you copied from Exness into the recipient's address field. Enter the specific amount you wish to send, and make sure to select the correct network, which is going to be TRC20, to ensure the transfer is successful. And once the correct network is selected into TRC20, make sure that the transfer is successful. And that's it. That's how you transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Exness.